Bien, pues desde Francia hasta España. Vamos con nuestra siguiente experta en esas buenas prácticas de talento en este sector. Llega a este escenario Blanca Pérez Aguilar. Ella es gerente de proyectos en HANS, que es la Alianza Europea de Universidades Tecnológicas. Ella es doctora por la UPV, máster en construcción y licenciada en arquitectura. Un aplauso para ella.
Good afternoon, esteemed colleagues and forum participants. It is an honor to present the Talent Attraction and Retention Strategy of Enhanced Alliance, an initiative that is redefining the landscape of human capital in European higher education. But what does it really mean to attract and retain talent in a world where academic borders are dissolving and international collaboration is becoming the norm? Enhanced Alliance is not simply another university alliance. It is a dynamic ecosystem that brings together 10 leading European technology universities and associated partners. Our mission is to drive responsible societal transformation by enhancing a strong alliance of European universities of technology, empowering people to develop and use science and technology for the benefit of society. We live in an era of unprecedented transformation. The talent landscape faces unique challenges, such as talent mobility. The best professionals seek opportunities that transcend national borders. There is a huge international competition. The battle to attract the best students, researchers, and administrative staff is fierce. The expectations evolve. New generations demand more flexible, meaningful, and international experiences. The need for digital and intercultural skills has never been greater. These challenges also represent extraordinary opportunities. The budget of Enhanced Plus is used to fund some activities that allow us to create innovative and scalable solutions, leveraging the collective strength of our 10 University Alliance network, embracing new technologies and methods. How do we turn these challenges into competitive advantages? This is precisely what Enhanced Alliance has been answering over the past few years. Our talent attraction strategy has three main pillars: integrated ecosystem of opportunities, innovative learning campus, and international employability. We have developed a revolutionary platform, the European Startup Database, that connects student talent with real business opportunities. We have transnational teams that facilitates the formation of international teams. Also, we have direct startup access, where Europe's brightest talent connects directly with opportunities. Understanding European markets through the diverse talent makes business scale, and bringing together the brightest minds across borders. Enhance is committed to offer student research opportunities. That's why Enhance is developing the student research platform, where students can find international research projects, collaborative thesis opportunities, research internships at elite institutions, and access to world-class research infrastructure. We have created a new platform for the Enhanced Innovative Learning Campus, where the students can find micro-credentials, summer and winter schools, MOOCs and online courses, and flexible pathways. Our micro-credential programs offer specialized certificates developed with industry partners. They are flexible programs adapted to labor market needs that have automatic ECTS credit recognition with deep focus on sustainability and social impact. Our summer and winter schools, which are quite popular among our students, are intensive 1 to 4 weeks program that can have face-to-face, online, and hybrid formats. It is funded through Erasmus Plus schemes and Alliance funds. and the topic have high social and technological relevance. There also has MOOCs and online courses that allow students to have internationalization opportunities without travel and a self-directed and flexible learning that provide internationally recognized certifications. When we talk about international employability enhancement, our unique approach includes the creation of international credentials, signaling adaptability and global awareness. We offer networking opportunities, connection with peers, professors, and industry partners across Europe. We help to develop soft skills development that improve career planning and professional development. Our strategic partnership gives access to over 1,000 international agreements. These are some of the initiatives that enhance the relationships among researchers, university, and society. On one hand, we have Enhanceria. It is funded as part of the Science with and for Society program of Horizon 2020, with the aim to build effective cooperations between science and society, building capacities and developing innovative ways of connecting science and society. The main objective of Enhanceria is to support and strengthen the research and innovation dimensions of Enhance through developing a transformation agenda for the Alliance focusing on the role of universities as drivers and enablers of sustainable development. The Enhance Alliance offers also transferable skills courses for early career researchers to create a large European research network. The Enhance Transdisciplinary Project Catalyst builds knowledge-creating teams that bring together academic, students, and societal stakeholders that engage in transdisciplinary research in 3 Enhance pilot topics: digitalization and artificial intelligence, smart and sustainable cities and communities, and climate action. Enhance is committed with creating flexible learning pathways. That's why we have created the Enhance Innovative Learning Campus and the Enhance Guided Education Pathway Catalog, where students can find not only short-time offers, but also thematic paths that might boost their curriculum. Enhance encourages our talent to stay with us. We don't really like to talk about retention, but it's like you put some iron ball tied to their ankles, so we better refer to that as talent management. Enhance promote the professional development of the staff through organizing staff weeks, which is our flagship program. It is an intensive international training for administrative staff that helps the development of technical and social skills in authentic environments. It promotes the strengthening of innovation and internationalization awareness and allows the improvement of competencies in modern university management. Specifically, there's this intercultural skills development provides effective intercultural communication, international team management, cultural adaptability, and advanced linguistic competencies. The core operational staff is the heart of Enhance. As we say, without our core operational staff, there would be no Enhance. Our leadership structure includes, among others, core officers, which are the strategic connectors between institutions, work package leads, the catalysts for specific projects, and technical staff, that is the net that makes everything work smoothly. We are developing frameworks that allow implementation and longevity of initiatives. Our development philosophy is to achieve the continuous professional development, the recognition of individual value, the creation of international career pathways, and the investment in leadership capabilities. For the early career researchers, we do have transferable skills course These courses improve the career and business development and their communication abilities. There are also specialized mentoring programs for women in STEM, upskilling initiatives for PhD supervisors, peer support networks, and personalized professional development tracking. Here we can see some of the activities that have been conducted since the start of the project. There has been several locations and themes for the staff weeks so far in Valencia, Gothenburg, Berlin, Milan, Aachen, for example. More than 6 staff weeks have been completed. More than 200 staff members have trained there. And all the universities of Enhance have participated there. And here is represented the skills that Enhance helps to develop. There has been more than 50+ skills courses across the 10 universities in multiple languages, available year-round and with free access. So Enhance reaches over 100,000 students from 10 member universities and associated partners. It has conducted multiple staff weeks with international participation and has a growing catalog of learning opportunities. In Enhance, we are committed to innovation in recognition, so we are working on automatic credit recognition database, the study of mapping to facilitate mobility, a transparent quality assurance procedures, and European recognized microcredentials. Enhance participants report that participating in the Enhance activities allowed them to have a greater professional adaptability, broader international networks, enhanced technical and soft skills, and expanded career opportunities. Participants have shared with the net hundreds of testimonials that can be seen in our social media. I invite you to follow us, please. The lessons we have learned walking through this path are that geographic diversity is a strength. Our universities, located from metropolitan capitals to regions with industrial traditions, bring unique perspectives that enrich the entire alliance. Also, flexibility is key. Hybrid and online formats have democratized access to international opportunities. Strategic alliances multiply impact. Our collaboration with industry leaders, non-profit organizations, and municipalities ensures practical relevance. The focus on European values matter. Our commitment to human dignity, equality, and the rule of law attracts talent seeking purpose, not just opportunities. Enhance Alliance is positioned to be the reference model for talent management European university alliances, also a catalyst for the transformation of European STEM job markets, a platform that turns global talents into career opportunities, and an ecosystem where talent is not only attracted and retained, but multiply and transform. Enhance Alliance strategy demonstrates that talent attraction and retention, or management, in the 21st century requires systems thinking because isolated programs are not enough. We need integrated ecosystems. International collaboration, the best opportunities arise from diversity and exchange. We focus on values, talent seek purpose, impact, and personal growth. And continuous innovation is needed. We must anticipate and adapt to the changing needs of talent. The question is not whether we can afford to invest in talent attraction and management. The question is whether we can afford not to. Enhance Alliance has demonstrated that when we combine a strategic vision, adequate resources, and commitment to excellence, we can create systems that not only attract the best talent, but transform it into agents of change for society. In Enhance, we are creating a seamless European education and research ecosystem for the next generation. Thank you for your attention.
Muchas gracias. Gracias, Blanca, por hablarnos también de las próximas generaciones. Bien, vamos.